Definitely. So, see, Gigin is a platform where we bridge the gap between the talent and the client, means employers. So, the platform itself has got a 50,000 plus people registered with us who are employers, and we have 3 lakh plus talent which are actively looking for a job. So, we are bridging the gap. I think the talent which is coming here, I think it will be a great talent which will get closed within this month. So, that's what it is.
Since
Thank
you're
you.
an industry expert, so what do you prefer? What do you tell those upcoming passed out students, like, what they need to be apart from academics? What exactly other skills you?
I think AI is the next generation now. I think apart from your education, you need to get into the AI, learn artificial intelligence, right? I think that will add great value. And the quick commerce and e-commerce is the next industry. I think people should look at some, MBA in supply chain management if you are planning to do your MBA along with your HR, right? If you are BTech, please do a machine learning, right? I think that will be a great help and great support because supply and demand match will happen then and there. Yeah.
Can I have a full name and designation?
I'm Prashant Kumar, Director Talent Acquisition, Gigin Technologies.